Hello everyone. Let's begin the next lecture, that is from chapter Mangoes Round the Year. This is the fourth lecture, and in this lecture we will solve the book exercises whatever is given in your book. So let's see the first exercise. Question number 1. It is saying that how did Aman know that the potato sabji has got spoiled? By its bad smell. Okay, means if we want to write the answer, we can write that Aman knew that the potato sabji has got spoiled by its bad smell. Okay, now the next question is, have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? Yes, of course we have seen. How did you know that it was spoiled? Again, we can know by its bad smell or bad taste. We can know that any vegetable is spoiled or any food item is spoiled by bad smell or bad taste. Sometimes the color of the food items are also changed, so that we come to know that the food item is spoiled now. Now the next one is, Priti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabzi. What would have happened if she had eaten it? What would happen to her? She would have fallen sick. Okay, because if you remember our previous lecture, I have told you that the means if we eat the spoiled food items, it creates the different types of diseases in our body, and it creates the side effects also. So we should not eat the spoiled food items. And it is asking that if Neetu had would have eaten these kinds of the food items which are already spoiled, she would have fallen sick. Clear? Now the next one is, Aman's busy went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up the packet of bread and gave it to Busy. She looked at it and returned it immediately. This is the passage given. After reading this passage, we have to give the answer that look at the picture of bread packet here and guess why Busy returned it. If you will see in your book, the picture of the bread packet is given, so you can clearly see that some black spot will be there. Okay, so we will write, by seeing some black spots. Okay, so Busy returned this bread packet of the bread by seeing the some black spots on it. She came to know that the bread is now spoiled. Now, how did she find that bread has got spoiled? By seeing a spot, and as you know that this spot was indicating the growth of what? Fungus. Okay, because we often see that on the bread there is the green color spots will black or green. Here we can write that by seeing the spots that are black or green. So sometimes it becomes black or green color spot on the bread, which indicates that food is spoiled now. Now the next one is, look carefully at 2-3 packets of the food item. What can we come to know that what is written on the packet? If we see the packet of the food item, we can see that MRP means maximum retail price, and after that expiry date, then date of manufactured, ingredients also we can come to know that what kind of ingredients are in the particular food items. So we come to know about these all things. When we buy anything from the market, what do you look for it on the packet? When you are going to the market and you pick up some packets of the food items, what do you look for that? We look for first of all price, and then expiry date. Anything else we look? Ingredients also. So these things are mentioned already on the packets. We used to see these things. Clear? Now the next one is, look in your kitchen and write down the name of the food items that can spoil in 2 or 3 days. Students, we have to write here, you can fill in your book also, that you have to write the food items which are going to spoil in 2 or 3 days. If we can write here the boiled rice, it can spoil in 2 or 3 days. Cooked vegetables also can spoil in through 2 or 3 days. Breads can also be spoiled in 2 or 3 days. So these food items we can write. Now the next one is, can be kept for a week. What kind of food items we can kept for a week? If here we can write that we can kept potato, onion, chili, ginger. These are the food items we can kept for a week. Now, would not spoil till a month. What kind of food items are there which cannot spoil for a month? Means, if we are talking about the raw rice, raw pulses, ghee, pickles, these are the food items which cannot spoil in 1 month. Okay. Now the next one is, look at your friends list and discuss in the class. This you have to do by yourself. You have to just match your list, that these are the similar or something else they have written. Now the next one is, will your list be same in all season? No, it is not same in all season, because we can come to know that in summer the things are getting spoiled very soon in compared to winters, because in summer temperature is very high, so the microorganisms can grow in the hot and humid condition, and this is very favorable condition. Summer is very favorable condition for the growth of the microorganisms. That's why microorganisms grows very fast on the food items and make them spoil. So this list will not be similar in all the season. Whatever list we have prepared here, it will not be similar in all season. Okay. Now the next one is, when the food gets spoiled in your home, what do you do with it? When the food items gets spoiled in your room, you just throw it into the where? In dustbin. Okay, we throw it into the dustbin. Clear? So we will write here that when food items get spoiled, we throw it into the dustbin. All right, students. So these are the book exercises. In the next lecture also, whatever the left book exercise, we will continue. Till then, solve all the book exercise whatever is discussed today, and write in your textbook, as well as learn all these question answer. Have a good day and thank you.